Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well tonight. Hey, just traveling a lot this week. Just got in from New York, New Jersey, and actually got halfway home. I'm just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, and trying to get the video shot for this coming period. And we've got a lot going on, so let me just jump right into it. Probably just the next week or two I'll recap, but you can always look at the stuff down below, and please take a look at the calendar and come out and join us on a bunch of these things. Just RSVP would be nice for us. Busy calendar, so let me just jump right into it. I'm going to try to do this off of memory. The 22nd, we have the Motor Fest, the 11th Motor Fest down in Naples. If you're not doing anything on Saturday, come on down and check that out. The 23rd is the BIG out in Cape Coral, the British, Italian, German car show. And I think we have like 12, 13, 14 of our BMWs in there. So come on out if you're not doing anything. Beautiful setup for that. That's the awful Rose Garden there in the Cape. And I think this is our third or fourth year we've been in this particular park, and it's a good setup. So really enjoy that. And then we jump ahead to the 25th, and the 25th is the Jacksonville dinner. And then we go to the 27th. The 27th is the Track Night America at Sebring. And I know that Rich Rouser and Damien are working on this, and I think we've got several folks that are going to be out at Track Night. So this is going to be something that you're going to see more and more on our calendars, more track events. And this is the first of the launch. So looking forward to seeing that. Looking forward to the pictures. And that'll be on the 27th. Then we jump over to the 1st, and the 1st is St. Pete Clearwater dinner, and Jeff will anchor that, get that going, and that should be a lot of fun. And then we go to the 5th of April, a busy day. We have 4 events that day. We have the autocross in Fort Myers. We have, let me just make sure my notes are just right here. We have the autocross in Fort Myers. Then we have the Cars and Coffee in Sarasota. We have the Cars and Coffee in Gainesville. And then we have the Beamer Invasion in West Palm Beach. We will be attending the West Palm Beach event. So and we have several of our members that have cars in the West Palm Beach event. So if you just pick. I mean, you got a ton of things to go. Some things you can drive to and see, come and enjoy, and all those kind of things. So come on out, have some fun, get off that sofa. We're really just pouring it on. We're not even halfway through the year, and look what kind of events we got going on. So come on out and join us. Until we see you, happy motoring, y'all. Thanks. Bye now.